welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day inspired DIY and outfit ideas. Let me know down below what your plans for Valentine's Day are, because honestly I don't really have plans for Valentine's Day, so I'm going to be living, you know, vicariously. Is that the word, vicariously? Yes, it is. I'm going to be living through you guys, so let me know your Valentine's Day stories down below because I would love to hear all about them. Do you have a boyfriend? Do you have a girlfriend? Let me know down below. And then also, I'm going to be completely honest with you, this video has been so stressful. You're probably going to watch it and be like, I don't understand why it was stressful, but I'm having the hardest semester of my life right now. I am in my very last semester of my college experience and my classes are just so difficult. I have an internship that I'm getting a lot more responsibility in because I'm getting prepared to actually get a job there after I graduate, and I filmed this video and edited it all within 2 days. Last night I didn't go to bed till 7 a.m. 7 a.m. It was so stressful, but I hope that you guys enjoy it, and honestly, because I've just worked so hard on this video, I would super appreciate it if you guys would hit that thumbs up button. Just let me know that you liked it, and all of that time and all of that stress and this lazy eye because I haven't went to bed is not for nothing. So let me know if you like this video down below, and it would honestly mean the world to me if you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I'll even give you guys 5 seconds right now to go ahead and click it so you don't miss anything. I'll wait. Okay, so I hope that you guys went ahead and did that, and let's just go ahead and get right into it.
I never heard Garrick Fergus ever sung so sweet. A cappella in the bar using her feet for a beat. Oh, I could have that voice playing on repeat for a week, and in this packed out room swear she was singing.
This first DIY is this door decoration, and I love this. This whole thing cost me $4, which is so inexpensive. So I started off with a metal board that I got from Walmart. I decided to add a little bit of a pink bow to add to the Valentine's Day inspiration. I picked up a to-do list, another to-do list, but this one breaks it down more into the days of the week. And then to make it a little bit more personalized, if you had a boyfriend or a girlfriend, you can add a picture of them. Personally, I do not, so I added a picture of my best friend, and that is it. This one is so easy and adorable. I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. I made such a mess doing this, so hopefully you guys can do it a little bit neater than me. I ended up getting glitter everywhere, but I thought this was the cutest little thing ever. I just got these candles from the Dollar Tree, but they ended up smelling amazing. So I am just going to be going ahead and painting the mason jars. I decided to paint one a light pink and then the other one a little bit of a darker pink. For me, I chose to do 2 coats of paint just to like make sure that the whole entire thing is painted, and just a little bit of a hack, you can always go over it with a hair dryer, which is basically just what I did just to speed up the process a little bit. And then if you want to make it a little bit more cute, you can go ahead and add some glitter onto the stem, which is what I did. And this is where my life went wrong because I ended up just literally getting glitter all over our apartment. My roommates probably hate me, but this is what I decided to do, and they ended up turning out really cute.
Never be that girl again, no.
I do this one pretty much year round because I don't know, I just have a tendency of killing plants, so I love having fake plants around my room. So I just go to the Dollar Tree, I pick up a mason jar, I pick up a few some fake flowers, and I put them all in here. So here is a bouquet of roses that will never die.
Outside of the bar, she shared a cigarette with me while her brother played the guitar. She asked me, what does it mean? The Gaelic ink on your arm said it was.
Now on to the fashion portion of this video, which is what you've all probably been waiting for. So I decided to show you my favorite first. So I'm wearing this sweater. It is not a turtleneck necessarily, but it definitely has a high collar. And then it has these puffy sleeves that are totally on trend right now. I'm also wearing a blush pencil skirt, a pair of black heels, and then if you want to be a little bit extra, you can add a floppy hat to it like I decided to do, but this is definitely my favorite out of all 3 of the outfits I'm about to show you.
Do you want to drink on? She took Jamie as a chaser, Jack for the fun. She got Arthur on the table with Johnny riding a shotgun. Chatted some more, one more drink at the bar, then put Van on.
The second outfit is definitely more of an everyday outfit, so I love wearing baggy sweaters, so I pulled out this pink baggy turtleneck that I had laying around in my closet. I paired it up with a pair of nice pants and some heels. However, you could totally dress it down by just putting on some leggings and some riding boots. So I wanted to go ahead and add at least one very, very casual outfit into this mix. This is an outfit that I could definitely see me just wearing like around the house on Valentine's Day, considering I don't have any plans, or, you know, just wearing it to school, whatever it may be. So I paired up this burgundy cardigan with a pink tank top underneath. And then I'm wearing one of my favorite pairs of jeans. These are from Rue 21. They are high-waisted and they have like a little slit in the knee with my favorite pair of riding boots, and I got those from DSW. Alright, and that was it for my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. As always, I'm going to have my little subscribe button right here if you want to go ahead and hit that if you did not already at the beginning. And up here I created a little bit of a Valentine's Day playlist that you are more than welcome to go ahead, click that if you want to binge watch some of my other videos, and I will see you guys later. Bye! Wait, how does this go?
I can't do it. I want to make that face if you ever want to use that in a video.